All right, I have a all right. Today I have a challenge lock. It's got a nice engraved rune here. I'm probably going to butcher this pronunciation, but I think that's a Fehu rune. This lock is from highpowerSR. Here is the key. The key was hand cut, and it does work, which is always good. And let's see if I can get this open here. So, a couple clicks out of pin 1, pin 2 there, 3, that was pin 4, pin 6, this lock is very crunchy. I think that was 5. Get a little bit of movement every time you set something. That was 6 again. I think this is 3. Three feels like it's binding, but it's not giving me counter rotation. Okay. Dropped a bunch of stuff there. That was 4. 6 is binding again. 5, 6, and there we go. So yeah, definitely needed a lot of lifts through some of those, and dropped a couple pins trying to set some other ones. So I'm actually going to gut this because I don't think there are any super weird pins in here. I don't gut challenge locks all the time, but this one I don't believe has anything I need to be super concerned about. And it's always fun to gut challenge locks and see what the pins look like. Right. Okay, relock that. I need the correct screwdriver head to do this. One second. Alright, clearly I was unprepared. I thought that I had the correct screwdriver head, but I think that one might work. And these really wants to fit into these screws, which is weird because these are like regular screws. They're not anything bizarre, so. Oh, maybe I was wrong about there not being anything weird in here. Because now, okay, there we go. I was gonna say, I hope I don't get the key stuck in there. Challenge locks always can have a little bit of weirdness to them to some degree. All right. I can smell the Houdini. Always a sign of a lock that has been taken care of. All right. Let's look at the drivers here. All right, now I'm gonna remember orientation on these because it is a challenge lock and that matters. Okay, there we go. I'm not gonna pull the springs, but yeah, you can definitely see some hand serrated pins in here. That one, this one. This one's got like a spooled top and some serrations in it, and this one's got some serrations in it. So I know for a fact that these were all standard drivers, I believe, when they went over. Because I think that this is a lock that I sent to highpowerSR before he turned it into a challenge lock. So cool to see it come back with some interesting modifications. All right, so there you go. That is, again, I hope I'm not mispronouncing this, Fehu by highpowerSR. Thanks for sending this over, and I will get it along to the next picker.